Hello friends, today we're going to do yoga with Zoe. We'll have so much fun today. Let's get started. Sit with the soles of your feet together. Let your knees fall gently outward. Hold your ankles softly, and breathe slowly as your hips relax and your body settles into calm stillness. Place your forearms firmly on the mat. Lift your hips high, press your heels gently downward, and take deep, steady breaths while your shoulders and spine grow stronger and lighter. Lie on your back, hold the outsides of your feet with bent knees. Gently rock side to side, and breathe peacefully as tightness leaves your lower back and hips. Step one foot forward into a deep lunge, lift your arms overhead, soften your shoulders, and breathe with control as energy flows through your legs and chest. Lower into a deep squat with your feet grounded. Press your palms together at your chest, and take slow breaths while your hips open and your mind feels balanced and relaxed. Stretch your arms far in front of you while keeping your hips lifted above your knees. Rest your chest toward the mat, and breathe deeply as your spine and shoulders gently release tension. Balance on one leg with one hand reaching toward the floor and the other toward the sky. Steady your breathing and feel calm focus spread through your entire body. Lie back and gently lift your chest upward. Relax the crown of your head toward the floor, and take slow, full breaths while your chest opens and your breathing becomes light and free. Lie on your back. Draw one knee across your body, extend your opposite arm outward, and breathe slowly while your spine unwinds and stress drifts away. Balance on one hand or forearm with your body lifted sideways. Keep your core steady, and breathe evenly as strength and confidence build quietly within you. Cross your legs comfortably, reach one arm overhead and the other behind your back, and breathe deeply while your shoulders and upper back soften and open. Stand tall, raise both arms overhead, lean gently to one side, and inhale deeply as the sides of your body lengthen and your breathing becomes smooth and calming. Bend your front knee, slide one hand down your back leg, reach the other arm overhead, and breathe slowly as your chest opens and powerful energy flows through your body. Lie on your back and hug both knees gently into your chest. Relax your shoulders completely, and breathe softly as your lower back melts into comfort and ease. Stand with your feet wide apart, fold forward slowly from your hips, and let your head hang freely while long calming breaths release tension from your mind and body. Lie on your belly with your forearms resting beneath your shoulders. Lift your chest gently upward, and breathe slowly as your spine feels supported and your heart feels open. Stand with your feet wide and arms stretched outward. Open your chest proudly and breathe deeply while feeling awake, energized, and fully present in the moment. Lie comfortably on your back with the soles of your feet together and knees open wide. Rest your arms by your sides and breathe softly as deep relaxation washes through your body. Kneel comfortably with your hips resting on your heels. Place your hands gently on your thighs and focus on slow, steady breathing as peaceful stillness fills your mind. Lie flat on your back with arms and legs relaxed. Close your eyes and allow every muscle to sink into the floor while your breath becomes soft, slow, and completely peaceful. You did an amazing job, and I'm proud of you. Let's catch up later in a new yoga episode. Bye.